Good morning, ladies and gents, and welcome to Crypto. So today I'm gonna do motherboard swap. This is Z270 with i3 processor, and for now it's updating drivers. Let's go quick over the cards. Put the coffee down. This is 3070 Ti Aorus Master. This is HP OEM card. This is 3060 Ti, and that one is also 3060 Ti, but that's non-LHR. This is with LHR. I'm returning this one, and I'm just gonna resell this one because of the reasons. So this one is made by MSI, and it's OM for Lenovo Legion. So I have some. Okay, drivers are finished. I'm gonna restart now. Choop, choop, choop. Oop. Alright, let's do that. So let's talk further. Why am I swapping motherboard and everything? It's because CPU and CPU mining, as you all know, raptoreum and all the profits that on CPU mining went up, and everyone is just going into it. So I'm gonna just swap the motherboard. This is B450 Gaming Pro Carbon from MSI, and inside here is 5800 non-X CPU. So Ryzen 7 5800 non-X, and this is Noctua cooler. I believe this is 80 or 85 millimeter ventilator. This is really cool cooler. It keeps this CPU under 75 degrees. It's really efficient, and this is why I went it with this one. And also what I wanted to do is to have PCIe slots to populate it with graphics cards. Yeah, so extra money from CPU mining and GPU mining into one rig. And this is my gaming rig, and I'm already mining raptoreum on 5800X, non-X with X. So I'm getting about, let's see, average 229 hash a second. Sometimes it varies to 2-3, but mostly it's 2-2. And of course, my gaming PC has 3080 Ti. It's getting about 80 mega hash on Etherium. Hopefully they crack this LHR to 100% unlock, and we get nice hash. Alright, it restarted. Let me log into Windows, and I'm gonna have to set up this motherboard over there, and I see you there. Alright, motherboard is out, coffee is here. Let me just yeah, this is what you need in the morning. I just want to show you something, how dirty this is after 8 months of mining. I haven't touched this shelf in 8 months just because I don't have space. This is my room, like, basically to move 2 steps, 1.5 step, and I'm here. But I'm gonna soon move to my place, and I also wanted to mention that I have these PCI clips and motherboard standoffs that goes ready. Keeps nice and sturdy your motherboard off the ground and keeps it up. If you're interested, let me down in the comments, would you like to buy some? For then do, let's go take this bad boy into this box and take this box right over there, and hopefully it works and boots up, because I'm not sure about BIOS on this motherboard. I might be changing it, so let's do it. Alright, there it is. It's back in the box. You can rest, you can be dirty as well. I'm gonna reuse the same RAM from that build. It's 8 gigs, It's 8 gigs. I'm not sure what CL it is and what clocks it is, but this is the cheapest RAM I could get. But I'm getting another RAM coming, so these 8 gigs will go there. Let me quick show you just these motherboard standoffs. You can see them on the holes, and motherboard is really sturdy on the place. It's not touching anything underneath. You can basically move a whole motherboard and it's wiggling over the surface. So yeah, I have some light issues. Yeah, there you go, much better. So let me plug these ones in and plug everything in, and hopefully we're gonna see some Windows booting up. Alright, everything is plugged in. I hope so. Everything is plugged in. And now I want to show you just these clips came in really nicely. I found blue one that I made. I'm having this one on the first slot because I need output to this card out to the display, because 5800 non-X doesn't have integrated graphics, so I cannot use it to motherboard. That sucks, but what it is, what it is. Yeah, let me just power it down, and because of this power supply, it doesn't have a switch or doesn't even turn on as at ATX PSU, so I'll be back. Alright, power is on. Yes, everything is on. This one's not on. Why isn't it on? Yeah. Alright guys, my battery went off during the filming on my phone, and I had to recharge it, and I just decided not to wait until my phone charges, so I'll do all troubleshooting and fixing the rig. So what I did, I had to BIOS update the motherboard because it didn't support 5000 series, so latest BIOS is on the board. I had some issues getting output screen from the GPU just plugged in with PCI riser. I don't know why. I have to figure out that 4G encoding enabled, booted into Windows, all updates fixed. As we can see, cars are recognized in drivers, and you are maybe wondering, well, there was a third car, Martin. Yeah, the buyer just arrived like 15-20 minutes ago, picked it up. So 2 cards, not too shabby. Next week, two another 37 non-LHR cards will be on my hand, so we're gonna be able to be populating another 1, 2, and I have these M.2 to USB adapters, so that's third car I'll be able. So 3 more cards I will be able to fit in this one. And I'm powering these 2 GPUs from single 650 watt PSU. Now when I'm gonna bind with the CPU, CPU should be around 70 watts. Let's go quickly to show you that this is non-X. Look at this. It's not 5800X. This is on my PC. This PC. See? Gaming PC 5800X. Come on, focus. Non-X. So I'm really curious what's gonna be result on that CPU. I'm gonna run benchmark and give you guys hash rates on that CPU for raptoreum mining in the next video. So make sure you like, subscribe if you want. Yeah, that would help me a lot. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I have these GPU holders. If you meant, you can put them underneath the motherboard, and it will hold your entire GPU, just like this one and any other one. And if you liked the GPU standoffs and where is the clip? PCA clip, let me know down in the comment. Would you like to buy some? We can make a deal. Peace out, and see you in the next one with hash rate on that one. I'm really curious. Alright, bye bye.